CVS, that's a very big drugstore, has started delivering prescriptions to homes via UPS drones. The drone delivery era is upon us. Now, you recall having seen the original clips that Amazon was showing of drones delivering packages to homes, friendly drones, not military drones, Prime Air, friendly drones. Friendly drones.
Yes, not the death traps in the air.
That's right. Not dropping bombs out of the sky or anything. Well, obviously that's not happening quite yet for the majority of people ordering things via Amazon, but they have started to test out the idea for delivering prescriptions to homes with these UPS drones, places that might be hard to get to, especially things that are important like prescriptions, like medicine, keeping people ticking. In some cases, individuals who need their medications are not the most mobile to go pick them up. And so this particular trial run here, it hauled medicine to 2 homes, and one was a retirement community. So that gets to what I was saying about the mobility issues in North Carolina. That was on November 1st. The drone flew autonomously and lowered the packages to the ground with a cable and winch. And the whole time there was a human operator ready to take control if necessary. Now, I don't know, that operator must be back at the base. Just prepared just in case to take over the toggles, in case it's going to run into an old lady or a dog or a lake with the medication, whatever it might be. So to me, this is promising. I remember when I first saw the clip and imagined a future in which drones are just buzzing about delivering everything. And it seemed really far away when I first saw those videos. But here we are in the real world. Now, granted, a very specific application, but here we are in the real world, and a couple of drones are buzzing.
Yeah. I mean, the use case it makes sense. I mean, prescriptions are not that heavy. And
they're important
not gonna
and
fall.
timely. Imagine this reality in which
Kill someone.
the grandma goes to the medicine cabinet, cracks it open.
It's like, oh no.
She's out of a critical medication.
Yeah.
But at the same time, she's kind of living in a rural type of setting. You can only get you can only get driven somewhere at a certain point in the day. Delivery services are available only at certain points. Imagine she could just trigger the drone. It's all automated. He leaves the facility. Bam, bam. Futuristic. Future grandma.
Yeah. She walks out the door. She's like, and what? What now? Because she's cool like that, you know?
Willie Doo's doing a bit right now.
Yeah.
You hear that, Kirk?
It would be funny.
Well, he meant to say, she's like, and what? What now?
Yeah. That would be the commercial,
And now what?
you know?
And one, like the old bat. Yeah. Wow. She ordered a pair of kicks as well.
Yeah. After taking her medication, she goes,
Because she's fired
Just
up now.
dumps.
She's feeling great after post-medication.
yeah.
Yeah, you might be right. Anyhow, so this is out in the world now. Who knows what they're going to deliver next? I'm excited for it as much as I understand the necessary concern. If you just let these things start buzzing immediately, it's going to be wild out there. Imagine these things navigating autonomously. This thing flew itself. Imagine them all dodging each other, dropping your packages. That's cool.
Yeah. Be a nice thing to watch.
It'd be a totally different story in urban environments, though. So many more obstacles.
Yeah, not in
and
cities.
Skyscrapers, forget it. Which is kind of interesting because the city is always the thing that's the futuristic.
Right.
But really, this is much more likely to roll out first in rural areas or suburban areas because there's fewer obstacles to compete with.